Hi everyone, Samsung Galaxy S20 FE has the amazing feature wireless power sharing. It means you can turn this phone into the power dock for another phone, for smartwatches, for earbuds, and so on. So how to activate this mode? I'll show you. Let's go to settings. Now we need to find battery and device care right here. And here, go to the very first menu, to the battery menu, scroll down, and you see this wireless power sharing item. Tap on it. Here we have just one setting, the battery limit. So when the battery drains to 30%, the wireless charge stops. But you can increase this limit. So if you wish to save more battery on your phone, let's keep it 30 for now, and you can turn the sharing on. Then flip your phone over and put another device back to your phone, and you see the charging starts. Another way to turn on the wireless power sharing is from the toolbar. Bring it from the top, swipe down one more time and look for the wireless power sharing icon here. But if you don't see this icon like now, you can tap on the plus icon and look here in this available buttons panel. Where is it? Yeah, wireless power sharing. Tap and hold and then drag and drop to a menu. So tap done. So now when you tap this icon once, you activate the wireless power sharing. Let's cancel for now. And if you tap and hold on this button, it takes you to the menu where you can limit your battery percentage. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.